welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. We are doing dirty pork tenderloin. This is an amazing recipe for dinner. Great one to make when your family and friends come over. This is part 3 of the series recipes that we're doing. The cherry tomatoes for the side, the dirty stir fry, along with the pork tenderloin. So let's get started. Okay, the ingredients on here is very simple. We're using some olive oil. I'm actually using Windmill Creek olive oil out of California. It's a friend of mine's olive oil. It is absolutely fantastic. It's a great finishing olive oil. Strongly suggested. We'll have a link down below for you to check out his website. I'm also using garlic. You do not need garlic on this one. I like a little bit of garlic, so I'm going to add it. And then we're going to do one with the original dirt, one with the salty sailor, and here we go. So we're going to take some olive oil, and we're just going to drizzle that right on top. All over, make sure it's nice and coated really nice. And then we're going to take the garlic, and then I'm just going to put that right on top, and I'm just going to spread the garlic all over. Just adds a little bit more flavor onto it. All right, and now we're going to do first one with the original dirt. There we go. I'm telling you right now, original dirt could possibly be the best seasoning on pork tenderloin. It just brings out so much flavor. Makes a beautiful crust on top. It's absolutely fantastic. The next one we're going to use the salty sailor. Oh yeah, love the salty sailor on pork tenderloin also. The nice pepper, the salt's on here. The nice boldness of flavors. Oh, this is fantastic. So I know you're saying, isn't that a barbecue rub, Dirt Man? It is. It's good on so many different things. It is absolutely fantastic. Okay, we've got everything on here. We're gonna now heat up the grill. Now I'm gonna give you a dirty little tidbit before you heat up the grill. Put a little bit more olive oil right on top, just like that. Helps create like a little marinade. Okay, now we're just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna go heat up the grill. We'll meet you outside in about 20 minutes. All right, now we're outside on this beautiful sunny day here in Maryland, and I'm using my Big Green Egg. By the way, we're not being sponsored by Big Green Egg, but we should be. I love this baby. It's one of my favorite things on earth. Love this grill. So let's get started. So we got the pork tenderloin. We're gonna put it on here. The grill is about 500 degrees right now. Remember, with a green egg, you always want to burp first. That way it's not too hot when you open it. There we go. All right, and now we're gonna put the original dirt. Oh yeah. I'm happy, Dirt Man's happy. Love that sound. All right, look how pretty that looks on there. So we are gonna close this up. We're gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna flip it. All right, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna burp it. And we're just gonna turn it over with a nice little crust on there. Very nice. All right, then we're just gonna close it up. This recipe is so easy on grilling. It's almost foolproof. You want to get it to about 145 degrees internal temperature for about medium rare, and it'll be juicy and nice. So we're going to close this up and we'll come right back. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's ready. I already checked the temperature on it. Look how pretty that is, Josh. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. That's the one with the salty sailor. This is the one with the original dirt. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this in. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes. Let all the juices do its little dancing inside, and then we'll cut it open. All right, these dirty pork tenderloins are done. I've already cut open on the original. Let's cut open on the one with the salty sailor. Oh, look at the juices on here, Josh. Oh my goodness. Can you get that on video? They are fantastic. That is fantastic. All right, let's try the one with the original. This is gonna be yummy. That original dirt is so amazing. Oh man, that's fantastic. Let's do the salty sailor. Look at the juices on that bad boy. Oh my god. Josh, try that, buddy. I know you wish you had some.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Oh, that is so good. I wish you could try it right now. Josh took it again from you. So I hope you like this. And now we're going to plate this whole dish up, and you're going to actually see all part 1, part 2, and part 3 put together. Okay, now we've plated everything. Look how beautiful everything looks. We've got part 1, which is the dirty mozzarella salad. We've got the dirty stir fry, and we have the dirty pork tenderloin. I've got the original and the salty sailor on here because we're going to do it all over here. Keys, a beautiful plate. This is a great dinner. Make this for your family or your friends, and you're really going to enjoy it. And remember to subscribe. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.